In today's video, I'll show you on how you can pay Atome using BDO Online. So first things first, you want to head over to your Atome application. Inside this page, navigate through your bill. You could be using the cash loan or the credit card. In my case, I have some bills ready to pay on my card right here, so I'll click on the manage button. From here, click on the pay bill button, click on got it, and basically you have multiple ways to go ahead and pay using your BDO Online. If you want to pay your electricity bills, water bills, and more, you can simply use that right here. Or if you want to pay your due dates, you can just click on the go to bills button, and inside this page you want to click on the pay now. In my case, I don't have it bills as of the moment, so I'll click on the pay early. In here, you then want to click on the bank transfer via InstaPay, and then you want to click on the confirm payment. And with this one, as you can see, we have the InstaPay members, and one of those InstaPay members is going to be the BDO Online. You can just use this to enter it to your InstaPay payment. Click on the copy code, and then you want to head over to your BDO application and use the code or the account number to pay your bills with. Make sure to simply choose Atome when paying bills. And from there, we also have another method on paying BDO Online. So once again, click on the pay button. In here, you then want to click on the add method. You want to add the card or debit card that you have on your BDO, and from here, you will be also able to pay using your BDO Online. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.